Here at Unitec, I teach Bachelor in Applied Technology, Automotive Engineering, and Transport Management. Excellent teaching for Pacific learners, you need to break that ice. You need to introduce them in your cultural way. Like for me, I'll speak in Fijian, and then that's where the bonding starts. When we do projects, I encourage our Pacific learners, bring your experience. If you can apply it into your country, where you come from, that's the best.
Jone has been such a great teacher throughout this educational journey. Him being a Pacific lecturer, he's been taking us Pacific students into his circle and has been helping us a lot.
He's a Pacifica, and as a Pacifica lecturer, he knows how to deal with the Pacifica students. He put himself in our situation, in our own shoe. As a Pacifica students, the style of teaching that he used, supporting us, encouraging us, not only to stay in our own shell, but also looking forward. I think that's the way that make Jone special or outstanding.
So the bite size is just a weekly meeting with the Pacifica students. I brought that initiative just to bring the Pacifica students together. What I've experienced is that the students, when we meet in a smaller group, they are more open. They have confidence in us.
We have students who hardly talk or speak, but it's with these Talanoa sessions where these students actually step out and speak their minds.
When we look at the stats, we found out that the students that attend bite size, they had a higher pass rate, and the students in the group that did not attend, their pass rate was lower. So it's an indication that it's working. I teach because I'm passionate about teaching, and I like to share my experience, right, with my students. Maybe that will help them to progress, right, after they've completed their studies.